In this video, we're going to take a look at DLI's CEL5500 LED Light Engine with the fiber block assembly. One design advantage of the CEL5500 is its modularity. Because the CEL5500 illumination system supports both LED and fiber optic sources, users have the option to easily convert their light engine from an LED to a fiber configuration. This video will demonstrate the simple step-by-step process for doing just that. You can find the written guide for these steps by following the link in the description below. Before you get started, make sure to review the precautions listed in the written CEL5500 LED to fiber configuration guide. The CEL5500 Light Engine contains ESD sensitive components, so be sure to implement proper grounding procedures and handle the system with care to prevent damage. Make sure you're in a clean, static, safe work area. In this video, I'm utilizing an anti-static wrist strap and an anti-static mat for proper grounding. I've also checked that my system is turned off and disconnected from all other systems, such as cameras. To get started, you'll need the CEL5500 LED Light Engine, fiber block assembly, and a 2.5mm hex screwdriver. Now that you've taken the proper precautions and have all the items needed, let's get started. First, let's locate the LED fan cable. The LED fan cable can be found on the projection side of the light engine and is connected to the LED driver board. Go ahead and disconnect the LED fan cable from the LED driver board. Now, you'll need to locate the LED cable. The LED block assembly is located on the illumination side of the light engine, and the LED cable can be found under the controller board. Go ahead and disconnect this cable from the LED driver board. Now that your LED block assembly is completely disconnected from the LED driver board, you're going to remove the light engine top cover. Grab your hex screwdriver to remove the following 4 screws. Please note that when you're on the final screw, go ahead and hold the top cover in place so you don't disturb the internal optical components. Once the 4 screws are removed, you can take off the top cover and place it to the side. Now that the top cover is removed, you can see the screws holding the LED block assembly in place. Take your hex screwdriver and remove the 2 screws. Once they are removed, you can slide the LED block assembly out of the chassis. Now, take your fiber block assembly and slide it into the same slot. Use your hex screwdriver to screw the fiber block assembly into place and reattach the light engine top cover. Once everything is securely in place, you're ready to connect to your light source and utilize the fiber configuration of your CEL5500 Light Engine. For questions or support, you can contact us at dlinnovations.com. Thanks for watching.